Hey, it's Raphael Gonzalez, your Treasure Coast real estate agent. Today we'll be in Riverland, which is a luxury 55 plus resort community in Port St Lucie. Their Valencia communities offer new home designs, every amenity and social activity you can ask for, and all while being a short drive away from plenty of top-of-the-line shopping and dining, healthcare, golf, and miles of uncrowded beaches. And all of this comes at a much lower cost than what other GL communities go for down in Palm Beach. Here you'll find homes from the 400s up to $1 million. So if you're looking for a home here in South Florida, reach out to me directly. I work with all of the builders, not just this one, and I'd be more than happy to help you. So here we have their Monticello model, and this home has a really good use of the space. It's going to give you 2,136 square feet under air, 2 bedrooms and a den that can be converted into a 3rd bedroom, and 2 to 3 bathrooms. The guest bedroom has its own private bathroom and walk-in closet and a linen, so it's perfectly set up if you have an adult child or long-term guest. You'll also get a half bathroom off from the common areas. There's a proper formal dining room in this plan, and the kitchen counter has a built-in breakfast bar that's extra wide. And this home comes included with the tile roof and impact windows, a deeper screen enclosed lanai, and the owner suite has 2 separate walk-in closets. But if you're looking for something more move-in ready or don't want to worry or wait a year to build, they do have some homes for sale on this development too. So if you want more information about those and you want to see more of their homes, you should reach out to me directly. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. And make sure you stay until the very end to hear more about what the community offers in terms of their amenities. And residents enjoy exclusive access to their social club, which are the only communities in the area where you'll find an on-site restaurant and a bar. There's an event hall and organizations which keep the calendar full all month long. You have your resort pool and spa, of course. There's also a sports lounge, fire pit, and card rooms. And whichever of their communities you end up buying into with me, you'll be able to make immediate use of their massive sports and racket club, which has multiple indoor and outdoor lap lanes and resistance pools. There's a state-of-the-art gym that they are planning on expanding out even further, and of course multiple pickleball and tennis courts along with their very own pro shop. There are always classes, clubs, and meetups happening here, so if you're trying to live an active lifestyle, this is going to be where you're going to spend a lot of your time. But if the arts are more your speed, they have a separate 5-acre facility near the Paseo Park and Town Center, which is where they coordinate all of their cooking, painting, and pottery classes. There's a community garden and so much more. But it doesn't stop there. The entire community is incredibly walkable with plenty of sidewalks and streetlights, and everywhere is connected for walking, biking, and golf carting around through the Paseo pathway. And as always, if you want more information on base pricing, lot premiums, and HOA fees, remember to check out the description and take a look at my website for this community. Hopefully you enjoyed that video tour, but this is just one of the many beautiful homes GL and South Florida has to offer. And as always, I'm gonna put my information right up here. If there are any questions you have about any community, or if you're looking to get into this area and wanna get an idea if this would work for you, if this is the right location for you, I'm here to help you with that.